Hello friends, Namaste. Very good evening from Batterify. You see the Birla Money, Aditya Birla Money Q2 results were declared yesterday after the market hours. So I'm willing to share the results, but I'm sharing them today after the market hours. So let us see the results. You see, I'm only going into the very summary part of the results. All the working is here in the template. You can go through. On a summary basis, you see the total revenue, the total income for the company is increased by 7.87% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and it's increased by 16.64% on year-on-year basis. The bottom line of the company, that is the net profit, is grown by 14.38% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is grown by 47.83% on year-on-year basis. And coming to the earnings per share is at 14. It is increased by 14% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the EPS is grown by 40.05% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the margins, the operating profit margin is grown by 4.55% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same operating profit margin is grown by 18.72% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the net profit margin, the net profit margin is increased by 5.64% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same net profit margin is grown by 26.56% on year-on-year basis. See, this is how the stock of the scrip, that is Birla Money, has performed over a period of time. See, last year, as on March, it was 42, and today it is at 66. This is as on today, after the close of the market hours. See, the stock price has grown by 17.30% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and it is grown by 52.06% on year-on-year basis. You see, Birla Money is part of BSE small cap index. Let us see how the index has performed for a period of time. It was at 21,072 on end of financial year 21, that is as on 31st March 2021, and as on today it is at 29,893. So from 21,000 to almost 30,000. Now this has grown by, so this index has grown by 18.10% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and grown by almost 100%, like 99.68% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see how the Sensex has performed. Sensex was at 50,030 on end of 2021, that is as on 31st March 2021, and from 50,000 it has grown to 61,000. Today it was at its peak. Sensex was at its peak, Nifty was at its peak, and Nifty Bank was at its peak. So Sensex has grown by 17.18% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and it is grown by 50.40% on year-on-year basis. So this is how you can see that is EPS grown by 14% quarter-on-quarter and 14% on year-on-year. Now compare that with stock price, 17.30 in quarter-on-quarter, 52% on year-on-year, and compare that with the index, which is that the stock is part of. So small cap grown by 18.1 quarter-on-quarter, 99.68 on year-on-year. So this is as regards Birla Money financial results. What do you think how the stock must have performed during the day? Because the results were presented after the market hours yesterday, and the market opened today, and the results were submitted to the exchanges today. So what do you think how the stock must have performed? Has the market responded positively, or has the market responded to these results negatively? Let's see it, how it performed. You see, this is how the stock performed today in the market. The previous close was at 67.90. It opened at 70.35. It went as low as 66, and it went as high as 70.35. And finally, it closed at 66.45, giving a change of minus 1.45, 1 rupee 45 paisa, thereby going down by 2.14%. So what do you think how the stock will perform in the future? You can just share your feedback. What do you feel about these results? And let us see how the stock will perform in the future. That is it as far as Birla Money Q2 results are concerned. I will keep on sharing the results as the results unfold. I think next week there are 4, 5, 6 very important companies' results are coming. As they come, as they are declared, I will share the results with you. Thank you so much for listening. So finally, as we go, see, this is what Benjamin Franklin says when it comes to investment. He has this patent saying, an investment in education always pays the highest returns. So it seems right. So as we move on the path of financial freedom, as we move on the path of wealth creation, we should keep this quote at the back of our mind. And this quote will help us to move on that path positively. Thank you so much for listening. I will keep on sharing the results of other companies as they unfold. Thank you so much.